Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this perfect hot dog roll with your bread. If today is the first time of coming across my channel, you are welcome. For my OG, I say thank you. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. These are the hot dog I will be using, though I will not be using everything. Next, I put my clean pan on the gas cooker and I added some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice and allow to hot, and then I'll add the hot dog and cook this for some minutes on a low heat, and then I'll go ahead to flip it and cook the other side for some minutes as well. Then I will take it out of the gas cooker and set aside. Next, I will roll out the bread to be flat with a wooden rolling pin, and then I will add the next ingredient. And if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now that the bread is well flattened, I'll go ahead to add the cheese slice. Next, I will be adding the cooked hot dog, and then I will roll everything over. Then for the second roll, I will flatten out the bread as I did before, but this time around, I will be adding some roasted turkey slice. Then I will add some sliced cheese, and then I will add the cooked sausage. This is optional if you are the type that don't like turkey, or if you are the type that don't like sausage. For the sausage, I used the pure pork sausage. You can substitute this for turkey or chicken sausage. Anyone you're able to lay your hands on, it is fine. Then I went ahead to do the third roll. At this time, I didn't add cheese. I only just added the roasted turkey and the sausage. The next thing I will be doing is to crack some eggs. I will be using 3 eggs. I will crack this into a bowl, and then I will be adding some spices. The first spice I will be adding is the paprika pepper. Then I will add the aromatic spice pepper, though it's not really hot. Next, I'll be adding some pinch of salt, and then I'll whisk everything together. And then I will set aside. Next, in a clean bowl, I will be adding some breadcrumbs, and then I will show you the next thing to do. I went ahead to wash my hands because I'll be using them. At this point, I will coat the roll with the whisk egg and then dip into the breadcrumbs as well. I will show you what to do next. In that same pan I used in cooking the sausage, I added butter and allowed to melt, and now I'll be adding the roll. I will add 3 in order for me not to overcrowd my pan, and thereafter I will go ahead to turn this continuously to avoid burning. I will be cooking this on a very low heat. Then I will flip it and then cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and thereafter I will take this out of the pan. Our sausage roll is ready. Look at how beautiful it is. The next thing I will be doing is to add sauce by the side of this roll. I will be using my cooked pepper. This is a little bit spicy. If you are the type that don't like pepper, you can avoid or skip this part. Next, I will be adding some mayonnaise into the cooked pepper, and then I will mix everything together because this is the sauce we'll be using to eat the sausage roll. You can as well eat it like that. Guys, look at it. So beautiful. Oh my god. When I tested this, I almost finished it. I also added some tea to this to wash it down. You understand what I mean? Guys, it was so yummy. It was so delicious. Here, I went ahead to taste it. I almost finished the full sausage roll. I'm telling you. I hope you'll be trying this. It was so yummy, guys. It was so good. Yes, here I was raising my thumb. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.